Hi guys and dolls. Right, so as you'll see from my last video, we've got the engine out the car now and it's in the front room. There. So while Dawn is away, it's the best time to work on the car's engine because of the mess we're going to make. So things you need that are quite important is laminate flooring, a hoover and a mop. That's in the bathroom. So that's going to clear up the mess. We're going to make it spotless for when she comes back home. And yeah, and an engine. So oh, and some music that we'll sort out while we're working on it. So we're going to strip this bad boy down and just see what kind of damage is going on with that piston. Let's just see if we can get away with just changing the ring, or if the bore's going to be it's going to be rebored in the barrel. Just see what's going on with it, really. So I thought to do a little video of showing the engine and it being stripped. So we can take quite a lot off it as well, because I want to do a full gasket change on the engine, change like the oil seals, little odds and sods, stuff I've done on Dawn's engine, and that looks all nice and shiny and it doesn't leak any oil. So if I can have the same on mine, I'll be quite chuffed. So yeah. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get some work done. Right guys, we've got the cylinder head off, and looking in the bore, I don't know if you can see, it's all nice and polished, but it doesn't look too, well, you won't really see on there, but it doesn't look too scored or too bad. So I haven't got to the point of taking the barrel off yet and checking the rings. I'm guessing they have gone. But what it definitely has done though, it's damaged this valve here. A nice little chunk being taken out there. So obviously that's not going to help the compression. But yeah, we'll have a look at these rings and just see what's going on. Okay, right, so we pulled the barrels off, and to be fair, the piston rings actually look okay. Well, such a low compression reading, I wouldn't have thought it had just been that little bit of damage on the valve, but I could be wrong. I'm going to change all the piston rings anyway, just to freshen up the engine and give it all a good gasket change and service, just to freshen up really. So here's the that's the good one. So here's all these like little metal filings. Don't go all the way down, but I'm hoping not much has got in the actual crankshaft. I'll have a little look inside the engine itself, see we need stripping and cleaning. But yeah, I'm guessing that's what's was left of the valve. Now, say with the piston rings, I was expecting something to be broken or shattered, or there's a lot more damage than there seems to be. So yeah, we'll change them over, or let's get it all going again.
Oh baby, we'll be old and think of all the stories that we could have told. One day, baby, we'll be old. Oh baby, we'll be old and think of all the stories that we could have told.